Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. There was no much changes since the price was within here. As you can see, the price was consolidating. That's why we didn't have any update. Anyway, if you refer to my last analysis, we discussed how deep this one can go. That's why we have been looking for 38,510, 38510, and it was working as a support. All right. Now, what's the next? Because if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for this running flat as a first correction. We mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, this is what I'm looking for. Then from there, we have been looking to see the breakout of 51K following by 55,300. All right. We mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it within this range. And the breakout of this level to confirm we are within uptrend is really important for us. But as we can see the price tag, the levels we have been looking for a few times, the price tag, there was no reversal. Now the question is, if the price could break this level, then we can expect the price tag, the lowest price of this correction. That means if there is a breakout of 38,510, then we can look for somewhere around 36,300 or 36,500. If there is a breakout, then we can expect the price tag, the lowest price of this correction. And with the breakout of this, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking to see the price drop to 28,300 following by 26,100. Right? That's why if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they need to be really careful. We have to get the trade setup reversal, then we can look for opportunity for buy, as what I explained in my last analysis. Simply, we cannot take the trade because if the price, as we can see, the price is consolidating here. If the price couldn't reverse from here, then we can expect the price tag, the lowest price of this move, this correction. With a breakout, we can expect the price drop to this zone as well, right? Now, based on daily chart, we don't see any trade setup. The only thing is we have to wait. We want to see whether we can get the reversal. At this point, still I'm looking at this running flat. As I mentioned, we have to look for the trade setup for buy as a reversal based on lower time frame. Simply, we cannot take the trade because, as I mentioned, how if there was a breakout of this level, how deep it can go. And based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup yet. And if we move to forward chart, as we can see, the first time the price tag, there was a reversal, there was no breakout. Second time, and even the third time the price could break, there we see the reversal. Now the price is almost there. Okay, now with the breakout of the 38,510, then we can look for 37,760. All right, and we can expect the price to get, the best things is if you want to look for buy, we see one more drop with the breakout of this low. Then if we see any reversal, any opportunity for buy from there, we will take it. Because based on forward chart, if we refer to the indicators, we see is losing the momentum. That's why with the breakout of somewhere around 37,750 or 60, we can look for the divergence based on forward chart, even based on first indicator, and even based on MACD. That's why if you want to look for buy, we prefer the price drop some more. Then if we get the reversal, opportunity for buy following by divergence, we will take the trade. Okay, that means we have to look for the trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade as what I explained based on daily chart. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup based on forward chart. And if we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. There was opportunity to look for buy from here as a short term. And as we can see, the price tagged 40360. It based on daily chart, we have been looking at this one as a support after we see the breakout, and it become a resistance for this move. Since there was no breakout, then this is where we could take the trade for buy, take out the trade for buy. It was a short-term trade. And even based on one hour chart, if the price continue and tag the previous low, based on MACD, we can see we can expect to see the divergence. That's why right now, I don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. And if I move to forward chart, if we want to look for buy, if I zoom out, still we can look at this one as a running flat. We wait the price at least tag the lowest price and the previous low, which is this one. If there was no continuation, if you see any reversal, this is where we can look for buy, because we can see this one as a tree wave following by divergence ABC. This is where we can look for, but we cannot simply take the trade. We have to see the price tag or break the previous low following by divergence. If we see the opportunity for buy, we'll take it. If not, we just let it go, because if the price could break the previous low, which is this one, if there was a continuation, then we can look for the lowest price of this correction, which is somewhere around 36,500, the lowest price of this. The breakout, then we can expect the price tag the lowest price of this correction. Now, the only question is whether this is the only 3 wave and this is the one is going to drop, or we can look at this one as a running flat for one move up. All right. And again, for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell. At this point, I'm looking at this flat. As I explained, if I get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, I will take it. But for me to look for buy, I prefer the price tag the lowest price of this one. Following by divergence, then I see the reversal, I will take the trade. If not, I just let it go. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.